This is our itinerary map from Kolkata, Kharagpur via Ghatshila, Jamshedpur, then Ranchi, then to Patratu Valley in Ramgarh district, back to Ranchi, then to Netarhat, and retrace the same path to Kolkata. We are now touring in and around Ranchi. In my previous video, I had shown you our trip to Patratu Valley and back to Ranchi. In this video, we will travel to Netarhat from our Ranchi hotel. We will also see Lodh Falls and reach Netarhat town. We started from Ranchi hotel around 7:30 am in the morning and proceeding to Netarhat town, which is approximately 165 kilometers away from here. Our hotel was near Ranchi railway station, so you can see this is the area around Ranchi railway station. On the board, the places you can see will be our touring spots. On the way, we stopped at a lovely point. It's Burha Pahar, a rocky hill. This is Burha Pahar from a different angle. There is a temple on the top. We are now on way to Netarhat. We have started from Ranchi in the early hours of morning. You can see this beautiful scenic place, and this is the road which leads to Netarhat, and you can see that rocky mountain there. We are enjoying the scenic views on both sides of the road and proceeding to Netarhat. We came across a similar type of rocky mountain like the Burha Pahar. Again stopped at a point to enjoy the scenery outside. The surrounding scenery is beautiful. This is Ghagra Netarhat road. We are now crossing the Bishnupur area of Jharkhand. This Bishnupur is not of West Bengal. Stopped at a scenic point. We started from Ranchi in early hours. You can see our car here. This is our car, and we came from that way, and we will proceed this way. This way is the way to Netarhat. If you can see there, the board is written there. This road leads to Lodh Waterfalls and Netarhat. And if you take a look on this way, you can see all the bloom of Polash and the hills of Netarhat. From Ranchi to Netarhat is around 165 kilometers, but the road at present is not good, so it's taking a longer time than what it usually should take. Now we have reached the Ghat roads. That means we are now going up the hill. Netarhat is still 18 kilometers away. You can see on our card device the meandering roads with sharp hairpin bends. Netarhat is still 8 kilometers away. We are on top of the hill. This is the entry gate of Netarhat town, but we will not enter in the town now. We will take a left turn to see Lodh Waterfalls, which is a beautiful waterfalls in Jharkhand. The Lodh waterfall is approximately 40 kilometers from here. After seeing the falls, we will come back to Netarhat town. We are now top of the Netarhat Plateau. Netarhat Plateau is situated in packed region of Chota Nagpur Plateau, about 4 miles long and 2.5 miles broad. It consists of crystalline rocks and has a summit capped with sandstone trap or laterite. This is our way leading to Lodh Waterfalls. Lodh Waterfall is still 9 kilometers from here. The surrounding is very quiet and tranquil. Beautiful scenic drive. Region of Netarhat is covered with dense forests of shal, mohua, kendu, eucalyptus, pine and pears trees. We have now more or less reached our destination. We have entered the Lodh Waterfalls area. The road is not smooth in this part. The previous road was well maintained. Netarhat is known for its sunrise and sunsets during the summer months. It is located within forests which have varied flora and fauna. The highest point of Netarhat is around 3,700 feet high. Now the road is bad. Now we have to cross this water body. We can see the deep forests on both sides of this muddy road. See, this car is equipped with this sort of technology which automatically started displaying on the TV here, and this is Dr. Kundu driving for hours and hours. These cars are coming back after seeing the falls. We are a bit late to arrive here. This is the parking area of Lodh Waterfalls. This is the entry point for Lodh Waterfalls. From the parking area, we have to walk at least for 1 kilometer. There are several ups and downs on the road to reach the waterfall. The surrounding is like this. The sun is strong now. You can hear the sound of the waterfall. This is the highest waterfall in Jharkhand. The Lodh Falls, also known as Budha Ghagh, is a waterfall in mid-forest of Palamau Tiger Reserve, which is in the south division of Latehar district in Jharkhand. Lodh Waterfall, a hidden gem of Jharkhand. You can see the area. So tourists are coming up. It is the highest waterfall in Jharkhand and the 21st highest waterfall in India. Though there are sometimes confusion whether Hudru Falls is higher or not. You need to walk a long way. There you can see again, climb up the stairs. We are now close to the waterfall. It's quite you can see the surrounding. The Lodh Falls is a tiered waterfall with multiple distinct drops in a relatively close succession. They are drinking water from the spring. The Lodh waterfall is an example of a Knick point caused by rejuvenation. The Lodh Falls is about 469 feet high. The thundering sound of the fall is audible even 10 kilometers away. We are now going back after seeing the falls. It was a long walk. We are hungry enough, so we need to have lunch. Our lunch is under process. What is your name? Yeah. Speak in English? Yeah.
I am like English subject.
Acha.
And I am go to school Scenic Starlight International Public School Chota Nagpur.
Wow, fantastic.
And my best friend name is Rakesh Nagasia. And my father name is Radheshyam Ram. My brother name is Manjit Ram. And my mother name is Maheshwari Devi.
You go to school every day?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So, which foods do you like?
Fruit.
Food? In the chicken? Oh, lovely. You speak very good English. You know the name of some animals?
Yes.
What? Name some animals?
Tiger, elephant, monkeys.
Oh. Did you see any animal here in this jungle? Which animals did you see?
Deer.
You have seen bear?
Yes.
Okay, good. So nice of you. We met this child in the shop who was helping her mother in the shop and was also doing his scheduled study work. We are back to Netarhat Gate from Lodh Falls. Netarhat has several places of tourist interest, and we know it is a hill station in Latehar district in Jharkhand. Sometimes Netarhat is referred as the Queen of Chota Nagpur, and there is a famous Netarhat residential school set up in 1954. Yes, we have reached Netarhat. झारखंड का गौरव नेतरहाट आपको स्वागत करता है.
Take the next right onto Link Road.
Okay, thank you, Google. These are the tourist spots which we are going to see. This is the Netarhat Lake. We are approaching our hotel in Netarhat, which is on the other side of the lake. We have reached the lake area and we can see a park near the Netarhat lake. This is the Lake View Park. We have put up in this tent hotel in Netarhat. It is called Netarhat Campsite. Very nice and cozy resort. After quick check-in, we'll now go for sightseeing of Netarhat. These are the road directions of the different tourist spots. In my next videos, please do see our full coverage of Netarhat tour. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel.